CPP roids. Here we go. Right, so we've had 2 updates since the last stream. We've had 2 updates. Let's just butch that down a bit. There we go. In fact, I want my logo in there. There we go. Right. We've had 2 updates. We've had 1 update from GaryMeg and 1 update from SP. So, this is what it looks like now. So let me run it from terminal because I've just compiled it. So there we go. So we have now score and we have level. But we have a problem. We have a problem. So if we leave this running, so there's CPP roids, watch the memory. So we're not doing anything, we've just got a couple of asteroids on the screen. Watch the memory. We have a bit of a memory leak. We have a bit of a memory leak. So as you can see, the frame rate's going down. So now we're at 24. We have a bit of a memory leak. Yeah, it's about 5 megasecond. So, do I use any news? Well, this is something we've got to look at. But yes, we have a bit of a memory leak. So as you can see, everything's slowing down because we've been discussing the fact that on level 8 and 9 it started to slow down. It's nothing to do with the level. There's nothing to do with the level. We got a bit of a memory leak. So, and all the owning pointers to unique pointer. Well, this is the thing. I am new to this, like everybody else. But we have a bit of a memory leak. Only a tad, but we do have a memory leak. So let's find if we've got any news anywhere. There you go. So we got loads of news. Loads of news. So, do we have to change the new to make unique? Is that what you're saying? Is that what we're saying? Right. If we're gonna, it's not that simple. I didn't think it was that simple. Right. First things first. I need to commit this. So this is SP175 code changes. On the 1st of the 2nd, 2023. Right. So hang on. I'm trying to merge it back in. I've just made a branch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create another branch, which is episode 10 code changes. Just in case we cock it all up, we can go back. We can abandon the branch and go back. Right. So we have right, there's new. So there is a new. Right? So this is when we in the constructor. but it's automatically... Right, okay. So we've got this. Boundary, and they're in the constructors. Forget that. Ship, they're in the constructors. Yeah. Yeah, so we got a bit of a memory leak, but I'm not too sure where the memory leak is. I don't know if it's anything to do with our asteroid array, that when we delete an asteroid, but it was continuous. Oh, let's do it again. Right, let's get that up, right? Right. So we're not doing anything. We're just sitting there, yeah? And it's gobbling up memory just doing nothing. Every new needs a delete. Right. Every new needs a delete. So if let's do asteroids, right? So we've got a new there, yeah? So does that mean we've got to do the delete in the destructor, yeah? So let's do this. Let's start with this, right? So the destructor is if my memory serves me, that, yeah? That's the destructor, yeah? So you're saying that we have to do this. That. Yeah? So that's the only new in the constructor. So we've got to delete it in the destructor. Do you also use inheritance? Yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, is it delete square bracket? Oh, so you're running an early version just after and it's not leaking RAM. Hang on, I'm getting confused here. Oh, I don't want to go there. The delete operator or the delete operator? Right, so that's an array, yeah? Oh, no. Oh, right, so not that. So not that. Well, this is an array, isn't it? That's an array, so I need to do that then. Yeah, points is an array of SDL points, yeah? So I need to do that. Right, okay, let's see if there's any news. So in the circle, we have got... But I don't think we're using... I don't think we're using circle. Hang on. Let me rename that because I don't think we're using circle. Right, let's do that. Let's do the search again. Right, so we've done that. CPP roids, have we got a new in there? Nope. Laser, do we have a new in? How come it didn't complain? I have no idea. You deleted circle out of your version. Okay, so I will do the same thing then. Let's do that. Right, player. Right, so we've got to do the same with player, yeah? So what we did with asteroids, we have to do with player. So let's grab that and let's put it in there. Oops. Let's do that. So it's ship points and thrust points. Right, anything there? Anything else in there? No. Right, start that, CPP. So text. We've got this. So have we got a destructor in there? Free. Where's free? So it's doing the destroy and setting everything. Okay. Right. Let's see if we have the same issue. Ooh, what have you broken there? Go. Unknown signal. Okay, so it's a pointer. So isn't it array or is it just or is it just that? Because it's a pointer. I don't know. It's all new to me. I've deleted it elsewhere. But I initialize it in the constructor. Oh, well, I may not initialize it in that constructor. Is there an if exists? Can you test if it exists? Set it to null in the other one. Right, let's see if that moves on to, say, the ship. Delete X for null pointer is a no-op. You don't need to worry if you accidentally delete it. Do you copy asteroids? Do you copy asteroid? No, we don't copy, we create. Ugh. Tell me why it's not working. To give me a message saying, not just unknown signal. Asteroids are in vectors. Do I overwrite the points? Yes. Here. I overwrite the points. Then no, I only initiate it once when we create the asteroid. We use vectors for putting the asteroid in the array. Where is it? Here we go. Here. See, we create the asteroid and then we push it onto the vector. You assign different points to points. The pushback makes a copy. Does it? How am I changing the array on 128? That's saying point of number of sides, which could be 5, is equal to the point at 0, yeah? So you're saying just do that? Really? That's changing the array. Is it? But I only knew it there. Well, that's why I thought in the Destructor with delete points. But it's throwing a fit. But I've tried. Right. So this is the problem here then, because we're copying. But the points is fixed size. It's number of size plus 1. But if I take the new out, which is what you're saying, then I end up with this squiggly line. Same as radius offset. They're fixed. They're fixed. They're fixed to the number of sides. From what the shape, we fix them to the number. So they don't. That array never changes size. Okay, so you're saying. Yeah, they're created at runtime. Yes. It's created at runtime by an argument. So it's not fixed in code. It's created at runtime. As the radius offset is fixed in code. Use a vector. Right, let's find out if it'll accept a vector. Right, draw points. That's what we're using. Right, this is the function that uses that points array. Yeah. This. Now, where did I find how to do it? Right, okay. You're on about that, yeah? Right. So do we need this now? So I don't need to do that, yeah? Because I'm going to be pushing, yeah? Yeah? So we're resizing the points to be our number of sides plus 1, yeah? So deleting is then that, yeah? Gary's getting frustrated. It's now complaining. But this is wrong, yeah? Because we've now got to push, yeah? So this is where we do this here. Oh, where is it down here? Oi, John, pay attention to chat. Oh, I did the so that should work then. All right. Let's try. Now Gary's convinced it's the text class, all right? Gary's convinced it's the text class. So right, so I'm going to stop that. I'm going to go back to the terminal. I'm going to run it from there so we've got no VS Code interfering with it. Right. Right, so Gary, just out of Gary says, add SDL free surface and destroy texture after you place the text on the render surface. So where do we put the text on the render surface? That is in load. Well, we do a free surface there. We do a free surface there, and you're on about destroy texture. Right. Wrong one. Oh, go. Do that. Still going up.
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Say hello. Don't be afraid. Hello, welcome, welcome. So as you can see, we're still gobbling up memory. So, but have you noticed the text has gone? Oh, I don't like that. Alright, FaiRLane. Night, FaiRLane. That is not good. We've lost the text. I haven't taken the text out, no. Right, so that destroy texture has thrown a spanner. That, get out. That destroy texture, this here, has thrown a spanner. Thank you. It's a team effort. We're all trying to learn C++ here. Well, some of us are. Me, one of them. Right, see? Why are we double hitting? Why is that shooting twice? I am. Hang on. I'm a little bit concerned. Right, let's go back to master. Stash. Right, so we're back to the original, yeah? We're back to the original. Let's do it. So this is without Gary's changes. This is the game. No. This is when I put the text in, wasn't it? This is when I put the text in. Oh, it's firing twice. Right. So that's where we left it on Monday. Right, so let's fire it up. And let's see if we're leaking memory from Monday. So we're not, right, so we're not leaking memory from Monday. So this is Monday. We are though. We're leaking memory on the text object, aren't we? Right, where's the destructor? We're definitely freeing it up on the destructor, right? The destructor, free. So we're definitely freeing it up. Let me catch up. Yeah, it must be the VM with the sound. It must be. Yeah, we're leaking every time we're displaying text. We've proved that.
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoil me.
Oh, you git. He's just gone downstairs. Hang on, I've got to give him a biscuit now. Hang on. Yeah, well, I've not been able to get this to compile in Ubuntu anyway, as well, which is really annoying. Trying to make it that it works for any environment, and it don't work. 50 bits gets asked on TV. Hey, you can't have any more until they tell me. Alright? You can't have any more until they tell me. Alright? Talk to your public, not me. Right, so why is the text... Why is the text gobbling up memory?
Hello, John here. Thank you for following. Hope you enjoy the stream.
Who's followed? Say hello. Who's followed? Say hello. Or am I going to have to go to Twitch to find out? Vision for All. There we go. Say hello, everyone. Say hello to Vision for All. Welcome. Is the text destructure... I can't even say it. Right, let's have a look. Laser. It's in laser, isn't it? Where we do the... where we do it. Right, so where do we create it? So we create it. So we create the class every time. We create the class every time we do the draw. Right? So do we need to delete it there? You like C++, SDL and dogs. Right, well, welcome to the stream where the audience is trying to teach the host how to code in C++. Right, so we're all right here. That's creating it, and when we come out, it gets rid of it. Yeah. So why is it gobbling up memory then? I mean, I can prove it, because I think Nikomo's right. Oh, come on, John, get a grip. Right, let's get the task manager up. Fire that up. Right, so it's stable around 10 meg, yeah? So, fire, and now we're at 12. Now 13, 14. So the text object is not being released, or something in the text object is not releasing. Yeah? Yeah. So let's do text. Where's the destructor? Where's the destructor? There. Right. Okay. So let's let us know that we're in here. Right, so that should let us know. That should let us know if it's been called. Nico, me and you were on. It's uncanny that me and you are on the same sort of wavelength at the moment. Uncanny. Is memory reserved for an array or built on the fly? Well, the asteroid one's built on the fly. But the text one is not an array. It's not an array. Well, not in this instance anyway. Right. Let's see if the destructor's called. Yes, it is, look. Many, many, many times. As often as the constructor? I don't know. We'd have to... I mean, there's a few there, isn't there? Yeah, it's creating an object every frame. Yeah. Let's put. I think we've used that one really. We used that one. So that is the text object. So let's see if it generates as many constructors as destructors. Right. So we should have pairs. That looks like it's in pairs. That looks like it's in pairs. Yeah, I think so. It's allocating memory but not freeing it up. Yeah. So what would it be? I wonder if it's that texture that's not getting, the texture's not being released properly. Oh, I don't like that. It's running at 30 meg. Let's run it from terminal. Right. So it's running at 10 meg. Right, let's see. Here we go. Oh, it's still allocating 2 meg. What on earth is it allocating 2 meg to? I'm just I'm just wondering if now that's load from file. That's load from file. When we don't do load from file, we're doing load from render text here. So this is the surface, but the surface is destroyed. Look, the surface is destroyed when we're finished with it. But I'm just wondering about G-font. This true type font, I don't think that gets destroyed. I'm just wondering if it's that. So for this G font, we just use delete, yeah? I'll put it in here first. Because that's a global thing. Oh, I'm not running debugger. Right, so it's around the 26 meg mark, yeah? 27. Here we go. Oh, I thought that would have done it. Oh, right, okay. Alright. I'm still not convinced that that's it now. Alright, GaryMeg. See you later. Right, 23 meg. No, it's still allocating memory, isn't it? Yeah, it does seem less. It's not chomping up as much. What else would there be? So the surface is destroyed, we know that. The texture's destroyed when we destroy the object, because it's here. So let me it'll be better with not having the score. In the class, if there is a close needed or a free needed. Night night, Mrs. OSK. Chat to you tomorrow. We got to put text on the screen. We've just got to figure out what's leaking. There were some SDL calls. Yeah, there's this. But I don't think we're doing any of this. We're not doing that either. We do the render, so there's this. But that's within that, and that should destroy itself, shouldn't it? If I delete the render pointer, because I pass in the render point, that's going to delete the thing because it's the pointer, isn't it? I'm not going to do that. Do I have to set all those private variables? All the private variables that we've got in here? Back to nothing. This lot. I didn't think so. No problem, Pan Spinning Kids, welcome. Thank you for joining. Thank you for trying to help an old man. These are not needed. Right. So I've got to figure out how to get them into the our oh. That's because I stashed it. Right, that should have carried it across, I think. Yeah. Yes, they are. That's why I've gone back to the SP version, right? Because I want to just see. Right. So I want to just... Oh, go away, John. Come on, get a grip. Oh, that's failing straight away. Well and truly broken it now. Well and truly broken it. Hello, James on Toast. Welcome. Welcome. Right. Let's see. Are we chomping up memory? Well, we're not chomping up memory as we used to be. We're not chomping up memories we used to be, just when it was sitting still, look. Right, let's do the other point scenario. Let's do the other point scenario, yeah? Which is in player. So, let's right, asteroid, we'll put over there. We'll put over there. And we want player, and we're going to do the same that we did in asteroids in player, right? Because that's the other one that uses the... Here we go, here. Right. What else did we do? We didn't have a destructor then now, do we? Because she said we don't need one, yeah? Right. Right, let's see. Do we still have a memory leak? Oh. Okay, so why is that not liking it? Oh my God, Aston. Jesus, man. That's a strong one, mate. Right. Yeah, I think a lot of asteroids makes this slow down a little bit. Right, let's do that again. This time, not being a silly infantile little child. Let's do it properly. Come on, John, do it properly. Yeah, it did look stable. Right, so let's make some noise. Well, it looks stable. It looks stable. I mean, it's not chomping up 5 megabytes every second, is it? Add some new asteroids. Yeah, okay. There you go. I think we nailed it. So it was the font. It was the font that was causing the problem. Don't you agree that the font was causing the problem? And the vectors were needed, yeah. Right, let's try and get rid of them all. I am rubbish at this game, really. Oh, I hit it and all. Right, so we started off with 11. I think we've got it. I think we nailed it. Hi mate, you look really good on your last video. Yes, mate. Is there a console output? I do not know. Let's have a look. Let's go and search. We've got some in the CPP. Nothing in laser. Nothing in. No, we don't have any. We've only got some in the where we get the sound error. Or is it the text rendering? Probably. It's probably the text rendering. Oh, right, okay. So you're saying on the text that we add another. Okay, okay. Let's what do we need to do? Right, so G font. Where's G font? Right, so G font's that. Right, so you're saying let's put it in here. Yeah, let's put it in there. Why? Oh, that. Oh, that's did it. That's. Oh, I just. Cool. It takes its time catching up, doesn't it? and then do the load. And then do the load. Right, where are we doing the load? That's there. So let's grab that, ram it out. I don't think we use G font anywhere else. Right, and then bung it in here. The problem is we need the font size. The font size is going to change. So we can't do it. Yeah, it needs a font size, so we've got... Hey, Proton. We're getting there. We're getting there. So we're going... It needs to be loaded every time because we set the font size. So it has to be loaded every time. Oh, that's a bit annoying. Then cache it in the font class itself. How would you cache it? Oh, something else I don't know about. Oh, I'll have to read up. I'll have to read up about that. I'll have to read up about that. I mean, it's stable now. It's stable. That's one thing. It's stable. it's not gobbling up 3 gigabytes of memory just by making it, just by running it. Yeah? Because I just left it like that while I was sorting out the plumber, and when I came back, it was like this. It was where are we? Here we go. Look, 2.5 gig. 2.5 gig it took, and I just left it alone for about 10-15 minutes. I mean, it's tiny for Chrome. Yes, I will be publishing this tonight's version. So we seem to have solved the slowdown, because SP was saying that when you got up to level 9 and 10 it was slowing down. It was slowing down because we'd running out of memory. I mean, it's slowly gaining up, so there's, yeah, memory leaks. I mean, it's a bit all over the place, but that could be my VM, to be honest. That could be my VM. Right. Yeah, why not? Why not? Right, so let me just commit this lot. Yeah. No. Right, solved for now the memory leak. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to merge it back into master. So I'm going to go back to master. And I am going to branch, merge that one. Right, so now we should be able to, it should be as we've got it. So master now should be, has got GaryMeg's changes, SP's changes, and now the memory leaks fixed. Right, let's just make sure. That is set. That. I'm not surprised at 120 frames a second, mate. I mean, come on. It lasts... I'm only running at 40. That's why it's really quick on yours. We need some way of because has SDL got a timer? SDL got a timer. Add timer, callback. Yeah. Well, yeah. What I was thinking is on the loop that it would, like we do in Pygame. In Pygame, we've got this thing. Yeah. On the Pygame. Oh, we'll do it in here. Pyroids. Game. We've got this thing that. Wait, run. Here we go. The clock. You know, that it waits for every clock tick and then it runs it. At the moment, we're just running. We're just running as fast as we can, and we're working out how many frames a second it is and putting it on the screen. So I don't know. We're just learning. So there is that. Now, what was I thinking of doing today? What time is it? It's 11 o'clock. G. What was I gonna do? Oh, you was on about when we change. You was on about when we change level to set the invincibility on. Well, we can do that. I think. Oh dear. Yeah, Gary had mentioned it. Right. Oh, where is it? Where's new ship? There. Here. Here. Now, the thing is, they're all private, I think. Yes, they are. But what we can do is we can here we go. We can do this. Have a function to turn invincibility on, yeah? So if we have a function to turn invincibility on, then in new ship, we don't need that. We can just do that. So in CPP, where we're doing the level up in, where we're doing the level up in, because I do agree once we start randomizing where these asteroids appear, because at the moment they appear in a line, yeah, at the moment, until we randomize it. But as soon as we randomize it, we don't want an asteroid materializing on top of us and you fixed it. Oh, right, okay. Well, I never. Cool. All this collaboration. Right. Let's. Oh, it's got to be in the cycle, innit? It's got to be in the cycling. Where did I? Oh, it's here, isn't it? Oh no, is. Is this where it's cycling? I didn't think it was there. Level up is actually in Destroy Asteroid. Destroy Asteroid. Ah, right, okay. So here we could say player. Oh, what's the variable for player? My player. So my player dot what? Ooh. Okay. Like that. So that should put us back into invincibility mode. Right, let's clear all this off. Right. So this is the last one, right? So here we go. Oh, and we didn't set the invincibility. So what am I missing? I'm missing a variable somewhere. Why does that keep glitching like that? Oh, was the first? Was that the first? Oh, we don't need to do it on the first then because we've just created the player. Oh, you mean here? Alright. Oh, come on. Come on. I still haven't given up trying to get it compiling on Ubuntu. I've just loads of things going on, especially at work. Right. Come on, let's show how I can play asteroids. Look at that, 2 asteroids gone already. There you go. Oh, I'm super fast at hitting this keyboard. Right, here we go. Yeah, so we should be getting more asteroids. So here we go. So I kill this one. There we are. We'll go back into invincibility mode and we've got more asteroids. Oh, I know how to hit this keyboard. Oh, missed it. Missed it. There we go. Right, so we've got the invincibility. We got the invincibility on to protect us that if we do, if an asteroid does spawn on us, then we'll be safe. But we're on level 4 and we're only up to 37 meg. I think we've got this nailed. I think we've got this nailed. I think we've got this nailed because I'm looking at the memory and it's settling down again, isn't it? There may be some optimization required, I think, because it's going up a little bit. Right, so that's the invincibility added for the level. Why does it keep going to there? But okay. So, what else is there? Right, it shouldn't. It checks your X and Y and randomizes the placement, checking if the random coordinates is within a set distance of you. If you are too close, it chooses another random placement. Does it now? Oh, very clever. Oh, very clever. This is why I like doing things together. This is why I like doing things together. Nice, because you get to see other people's thinking. You get to see other people's thinking. Right. So, right. Next stream. To-do list. Right. So we've done the explosion. Right. We've done the explosion for the asteroid. Right. So, oh, come on, John. Yeah, so we need to do the ship killing death code. We need to do UFO. Yes. Create the UFO class. Well, this was it. Lives system, but GaryMeg wanted to do that, so I said, okay, you can do that. GaryMeg wants to do the live system. Well, it's number of lives, isn't it? Number of live system. What else? What else? What's in the one? What's in the Pi game one? Right, so what we got here? Oh, we've got the get ready. Right, get ready. Oh, it's just blown me up. So 5 level get ready go system. What else? Right, what else have we got? You need to cap the maximum number of asteroids. Yes. Oh, what a shot! What a poo! Oh, I still amaze myself. I read that so difficult. What else? What else? Do your UFO in Pi game hit asteroids and die? I don't think so. I don't think the UFO can hit an asteroid. We'll wait for it to come. I'm not too sure how long it waits. They do in the arcade. What, they blew up asteroids, did they? Right then. Well, let's put that in there, because let's put that in there. UFO must interact with the surroundings. So if it's game, can I shorten? Hang on, is it in settings? The UFO appearing. Let's have a look. Duration for that. UFO is not on there. Oh no! Right. Game. When does the UFO appear? Settings per UFO. Seconds per UFO. Where's that? Oh, seconds per UFO is 60. So let's just change that to 10. Right. So every 10 seconds we'll have a UFO. Right, so yeah, the UFO needs to have, if it collides with an asteroid, then it needs to die. Oh, I made that UFO deadly. Right, what's there is also the dud dud sound in the arcade, exactly like Space Invaders. Oh, is that just the background? That is random on the arcade as well. The UFO time is random. Oh, I didn't. I thought it was. I thought it was fixed. Right. So let's put that in there. Let's put that in here. So 8 UFO appears at random time intervals. They also own. Hang on. They also only fly across the screen once. They don't. Oh, right. Okay. UFO only transitions across the screen once. No wrapping. Right, what else? What else? Oh, right, okay. UFO direction is random, left to right or right to left. Yeah. What else? Yes, it gets faster as the number of the gets faster as the asteroids decrease. Do we want to put that in? Okay. So add the heartbeat of the game, yeah? Why not add top to bottom? Yeah, we could do that. UFO direction is random in all directions. Yep, we can do that. So, no, it's annoying as hell. Right. Soft setting required for SP175. Oh no, it's Nikomo. Right. So we'll put a soft setting in there. Just so you can turn it off. What else? Oh, SP. Ah, oh, right, okay. Can't leave him out. What else is there? So this one's done, yeah? Okay, let's add a couple that's added sound to explosion. Let's put a couple of the ones that we've done. All directions of US foes could make it harder as the movement is random anyway. Right now you would only have to check if it goes from 0 to width and width to 0. Yeah, power-ups. We need power-ups, don't we? So, right, okay, so double lasers. All direction. No, 4 direction lasers, yeah? 4 direction lasers. What was the thing in Defender when it blew up everything? It was what was it called? What was that bomb called where it blew up everything on the screen? Was it the smart bomb? Right, smart bomb. So we could put that in so you could blow up everything that's on the screen. But that would be a rare power-up, yeah? We could put a bit of Myriad in here. So Iron Man. Where you become invincible. BF... What's the BFB? Oh, I've just got it. I've just got it. Just got it. I've just got it. Yeah. Yeah, I got it. So power-ups could be... Oh, extra life. Extra shit. Oh yeah, we could do that. Yeah, so we need to put that in. What else? What else? What else? Anything else? I've not played the proper UFO. What about a second ship that flies around your ship in a circle for some time and destroys everything it hits? Oh! Oh, like a shield. Well, the resizable screen, the resizing of the screen is in options, isn't it? In here. I mean, we could make the screen as big as you want. Let's say 1024 by... Well, hang on. What's this screen? What's this current screen? What's the resolution on this? So let's do 1280 by 9. No, that one there. That one there. We'll do that one. Yeah, we'll do that one. Right, let's see how that looks. You need to make the game independent of the screen resolution. I know. I know. I mean, Gary's gonna have to do something about this, because that's gonna have to he's gonna have to tie it into the screen size. But yeah, I mean, I suppose we could pass an argument in, couldn't we? Why is it keep always stopping there? So we could pass an argument in. You know, when we do that, I suppose. But how would we determine what the screen's like? Have to look into it. In-game options, yeah. What, give them a set of resolutions to play by, and they can pick whichever one they want. Multiplayer. Oh. Oh. Okay. Oh, you mean two player on the same computer? Oh. Yeah, it's cool if you can shoot it. I thought you meant multiplayer, proper multiplayer. Right, okay, right, multiplayer. 2-player option. Yeah, we're getting right. So these, we'll do this and we'll see how much we can do, because I know some people are wanting me to go back to 6502 and stuff like that. But I think it's interesting to be able to do this. VR glasses support, come on. This is known as feature creep. Yes, this is known as feature creep. So, all right then. Right. So we've got a list of possible improvements. Yeah, we'll do the UFO stuff and the power ups. Yeah, I think we should think about doing the power ups. See, some of them is going to be quite easy. Some of them is going to be quite easy. All right then. Right. Let me. CPP roids. Oh dear. Right, let's add this. So this is code changes episode 10. We're on 10, aren't we? Episode 10? Yeah. Right, so let me. So I'm going to grab it off the VM and I'm going to put it into Discord, yeah? I'll also update, no worries mate. I'll also update the Patreon repo as well, with the...
Oh my god, more bits? Thank you very much. You guys really spoiled me.
Oh, Nicomo, thank you. I'm not going to wake him up while he's asleep, but I owe him a treat. Yeah, I owe him a treat. And when he wakes up, I'll give it him. Thank you very much for the bits. All right, right. So I may do a stream this weekend to try and do a bit more of this. Yeah. And give you guys some time to mess around with it, yeah. But let me know when you've got any code that you want me to merge with the master set, and I will do that. All right. Well, thank you very. No, I'm not going to wake him up, mate. No, he's asleep. Right. So I will say thank you very much for joining, and I possibly may see you at the weekend. If not, I'll see you on Monday. Alright? Should I raid somebody? Who's on? Let me see. Tash the Minion's been raiding people, and I think I should raid somebody. Let's have a look. Raid a channel. Who's on? Oh, Charlie Fair. Or Zyphoid. Which one? Charlie Fair or Zyphoid? Raid a bank. All right then, guys. I'll shut it off. All right. I will see you soon. Yeah. Take care. Bye. I'd like to thank all the Patreons that are contributing to my channel. Without you guys, I wouldn't be able to do what I'm doing right now. Thank you very much.